Hi, Vieira with Stock Market Live.tv. Today we have here a Ferrari trading above $100. Why is this happening? It's not only Ferrari, my friends. You had it on the blog of the company as well as in the service with very clear and explicit sentence. Remaining invested, Netflix, ahead of earnings, buying massive long position. Netflix, it was trading at $147. We have a strong buy rating in Netflix, single digits. To be more precise, and you have in fact the full investment process in the blog of the company with articles explaining why to invest in Netflix. All right? Why to invest in Netflix? They don't know, they don't understand out there why to invest in Netflix. And ahead of earnings, you had shares going from $164 all the way down to $147. We downgraded Netflix ahead of earnings, precisely, artificial intelligence. You sold, we bought, and we announced it live. We are massively buying Netflix and Ferrari ahead of earnings, blowout quarter. Blowout quarter. You have been told. Therefore, the only thing that you had to do was to place a market order. Sell your house, sell your dog, sell everything, buy Netflix and Ferrari. So today you have Netflix $184. In fact, you had $188. After earnings report, you had automatically Netflix at new all-time highs, $175. And today you have Ferrari. And by the way, the article, when it was posted live to the blog of the company, Ferrari it was trading at $84, Netflix $147. So today you have Ferrari at $100.25. You don't have $50, you don't have $70, you have $100.25. Ahead of earnings, blowout quarter, blowout quarter. Artificial intelligence tells you blowout quarter. Blowout quarter is not like Elon Musk says that artificial intelligence is very dangerous. For God's sake, the worst day of humankind is coming. No, small investors are outperforming every single pro and even hedge funds. All those that they are no subscribers, my friends. Proven 30 years history. So where is this coming from? And by the way, today we have also what I told you that was going to happen. Vertex Pharmaceuticals, the company that I told you to invest in, raising targets. I said we are raising targets in Vertex Pharmaceuticals. As a subscriber to artificial intelligence, we told you this stock is worth $163. Shares, they were trading at $120, $100. We upgraded to strong buy at 77 as you, a subscriber, okay? So $160, and you had Vertex announcing earnings, and obviously share price jumped from $130 more or less to immediately $166, $170. It was worth $163. So what else did you expect? That was going down? No, my friends, they are not going down. So where do you find this information? Certainly not on CNBC or Mr. Warren Buffett or Mr. Bill Ackman. They are not going to tell you because they don't know these companies. Because in fact, Bill Ackman, instead of investing in Valiant, he should have invested in Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Listening to our advice, and today probably it will be in the cover of Forbes magazine instead of being the, well, everyone in Wall Street is joking about him. In fact, with regards also to what is happening in Chipotle, share price collapsed, and again Bill Ackman tweeting, I'm losing money, I'm happy, imagine these Americans. So where is this coming from? Let's see. You have it here, very explicit in English language. Billionaire raises Vertex Pharmaceuticals price target $50 million profit is guaranteed already. Okay? So those that they were subscribers to artificial intelligence, I told you this is worth $163. Okay? But this is not all, okay? Because this article is raising targets. Okay? There is a previous one that it says here. I'm going to click for people, you know. It is rather simple, okay? So it is rather simple. For those that they don't believe, there is a plunge protection team that everyone has been talking about for years. You have here the proof of it once again, as I demonstrated in the case of Intuitive Surgical, price line that today you had at $2,000, Amazon and so on. So the title is Protection Plunge Team CEO, myself, you are looking at him, invest in Vertex Pharmaceuticals. The share price was 106. Today you have 100 and what? $60, okay? $60 live on the tape, all right? So with regards to Netflix and Ferrari, I'm going to obviously refer here live to this article ahead of earnings, my friends. There is no need to waste your money visiting other websites, seeking alpha, you know, the Motley Fool, Goldman Sachs, and so on, or Wells Fargo. There is no need whatsoever. I don't have anything wrong against those companies, but I mean, you are wasting your time, my friends, you understand? You are wasting your time, and everyone that is visiting the blog, you know, subscribers or non-subscribers, tells you exactly the same, okay? Proven always ahead of earnings, and it says what, the article? It says this: Netflix and Ferrari price target raised ahead of blowout. You know what is blowout? Is coming. The bomb is coming. Blowout coming earnings. Blowout coming. You sell everything. You absolutely you buy Ferrari and Netflix. You don't need anything else. And obviously Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Blowout quarters everywhere. Artificial intelligence is not like Elon Musk tells you, oh my God, artificial intelligence, we are all going to die. Yeah, because Elon Musk knows that we do whatever we want with Tesla share price. By the way, you had the opportunity to win a Porsche 911 as demonstrated. So, the article there, Netflix News, it says this: Netflix is still a buy, my friends. We are loading up ahead of blowout earnings quarter. It is there. So, market orders, cover your shorts and go long Netflix, because strong buy since single digits. Netflix is the world's best company to invest in, my friends. Don't you know about Netflix? There is a lesson how to invest in Netflix. The most important lessons in markets history, it is there in the blog of the company, explaining in detail why to invest in Netflix. So 30 minutes or 40 minutes, play the videos, because it is there available. All right? Having said this, you also have here Ferrari, forget Tesla. My gardener is driving a Ferrari. All right? So you just have to, refer also to the live charts. And live charts, they were made available to you in real time with explicit titles in English. And by the way, obviously, our live charts, each one, it is worth millions of dollars. All of them. Proven. So I'm going to click here on full screen, and this chart, it is available on tradingview.com. And the title of the chart, so the price, it was $156 in Netflix. Today you had $184. Plenty of time to invest, to buy massively, as I told you to do so. And the title of the chart is Netflix blowout earnings is out, strong buy. This was ahead of earnings. So why do you need to invest, I don't know, In other companies, if you know already the results of Netflix and Ferrari, therefore, obviously, those that they have a brand, there are many people that they love, but those that they have a brand, they don't even need to use a brand, just the fingers to place the, the trade. The mobile phone, if you want to, it takes less than 5 seconds if you are logged in to your broker's account. I would say, okay, at least that is precisely what we do, or many of the customers. So you also have here small investors, their story, and there are many, and also non-subscribers telling you how to accomplish it. All right? So we are going to refer to, obviously, Vieira Pharmaceuticals new all-time highs. Again, a stock, if you ask Mr. Warren Buffett, I mean, I don't have anything against Mr. Warren Buffett, but we have rules. We don't invest in burgers, cigarettes, drugs, and alcohol. Okay? That is good for others, for us. We have never seen, or you have never seen, a single case study in the company history addressing, for example, investing in tobacco companies or in beer, alcohol, or burgers other than to sell short. The case of Shake Shack at $93, by the way, you also have it live on the blog of the company. Or the case as of today that you are very aware of long term, since our downgrade to strong sell in Chipotle above $700. Okay? Chipotle, by the way, today it is worth this price that you have here, less than 50% after the downgrade to strong sell, $356. It is not $700, it is not $800 or $900 as Wall Street was raising targets precisely at the top. All right? So, why and what do you have to do? World best stock market performers. Do you have any doubts? I told you here, I don't know, 100 articles. Invest in Intuitive Surgical, other company Mr. Warren Buffett does not know or is aware of, or Bill Ackman, or Jim Cramer. They don't go. They have downgrades to strong sell. Goldman Sachs downgrade to strong sell at $250. Okay, strong buy since '98. You have today $975. You had my video of Periscope on the beach. We are in full control. No need to stay on holidays, my friends. You stay on holidays. Intuitive Surgical strong buy. Today, or since then, it rallied more $150. Okay? No, in fact more. 100 and it was 800, so 175. But there are videos since 700, 500, 98. Okay, so it's like Netflix, exactly, single digits, all the way up to $184. Ferrari, 32, all the way up to $100. Price to earnings Ferrari is 37. Price to earnings Tesla is how much? 800, 1,000. No one knows, right? So which one is better? I don't know. Only God knows. But what I do know, if I call today, is that Ferrari, it is worth $100 live on the tape. You see? So you understand? Sell Tesla and why the Gardner is driving a Ferrari. And you had the calls ahead of earnings. Blowout earnings, Ferrari and Netflix. I mean, do I have to repeat again this, or it is explicit? Because quite frankly, you are not paying me to come here, and I'm wasting my time. I would say, I don't know. And if you are interested in doing something, well, or if you want me to come here more often, share with others, because you are rather helping others not to lose money in the markets and instead to profit from precisely the opposite of what Wall Street has been telling you, because they didn't believe that Ferrari could trade all the way up to $100, far cheaper than Tesla, or as of today that Netflix could be trading at $184, since many or most, they already abandoned Netflix a long time ago, right? So don't forget about it. Thank you and bye.